Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We all have many friends, and our friends have also a family. Now we will enjoy a performance from our very dear student about his friend's family. So let's enjoy.
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope you're keeping cool. I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my topic is about my friend family. My friend Abir Ali is a student of class 8. 3 4 members in family. Father his father name Ashraf Ali is a doctor. His mother MS Manwara Begum is a teacher. Younger brother Tajwar Ahmed. We visit each other house on holiday. That's all I want my today presentation. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.